All right, the official time is 5:55. Fire it up, kids.
Where is he?
I don't understand why.
Where's Denson?
There, no call, no show.
What? What? That's bullshit. Then why are we doing it?
Because get out there, Kurt, so I can see you.
Let's do
Alright. Y'all good? Alright, to the igloo. Last time in the igloo. 1, 2, 3, pull.
I didn't do
One.
Oh.
Damn.
God.
Wow.
Damn it.
Away from the computer.
All right, kids.
Oh my God.
Are you retarded?
Yo, open it. No, you got it. Yo, as soon as you open it, that has to be in your mouth. Go,
Yeah,
go,
suck
go.
it.
Oh, yo, up, tip. Oh, there you go.
It's like the summer in aphrodisiac. They want the pen and pad. I compose this rhyme and hit you what you get you quick for the summertime.
Does it right now! Let's go!
I'm about to do it right now.
You better win. I want you to win. Do it. For America. America. Hurt.
It's not a contest. Everybody get around.
Hurt. Are we ready?
Come on, let's do this.
It's being live cast to Alabama.
We gotta show them off. Do it right.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, Jason. Jason, let's go.
Open wide.
And then get your hand on there.
Let it go down through.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Damn. Holy shit. Delicious.
Great idea. Great idea.
You look like the whole thing. In a red fucking jersey.
All right, you can hit the.